In this video, I will show you how to create reels from your own videos in Facebook Library. Before we begin, make sure you hit subscribe and tap the bell icon to get daily tech videos. Meta on Facebook now allows you to create reels from your own existing videos, and in this video, I will show you how. Let's see how to do it. Update Facebook to the latest version and then open it up. Create a reel. Now, from the top side, you will see a New Your Content option to choose existing videos from your Facebook library. Just use it and then select any video that you uploaded recently or years ago on Facebook. Trim the reel to fit the time frame now. Proceed further and then you can add text and music. Add other elements to decorate the reel and make it interactive. Finally, when done, simply post it. This way, you can now create and post more reels from your videos on Facebook. The feature is rolling out to everyone and is available for creators first. This is it. In this way, you can now create reels from old videos of yours that you posted on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, then check out more tech videos on our channel. Thanks for watching.